Hi everyone, we're in Hershey, PA today at the AACA Fall Meet, and we're looking at a 1956 Lincoln Premier. And I have Anya here. Hi Anya.
Hi.
She's the lucky owner of this beautiful convertible. Anya, how many years have you had it again?
About 5.
About 5 years?
Yep.
And the color, I would just call this pink, but it actually has a real
It's really amethyst.
amethyst is the color. Of course, being a Lincoln, it can't be called pink.
No,
It's got to be called something fancy.
that's right.
This is a big, beautiful car. How big is this car? You had
It's
mentioned before it was,
19 and a half feet long.
and it does not fit in a normal.
Doesn't fit in a standard garage.
I believe you.
So,
It's pretty darn big. It's pretty darn long, and it's a beautiful color. I got to be honest with you. I'm a guy, but I like the pink and the white. I'm
Yeah.
digging the pink and the white.
yeah, it's just that muted pink. It's just,
Yeah.
it goes with anybody, guys, girls.
Look at this beautiful hood ornament. Is that
Yeah.
a knight? What
A
is that?
night. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yep. That
cool is it?
24 karat gold plated.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
You got big Lincoln across the hood here.
Yeah.
Can you pop the hood and we'll see what's in there?
Well, sure.
I know it's a heavy hood. It's
a
real
heavy hood.
steel.
Yep.
Wow. It just looks heavy.
Oh, yeah.
Now this is what, a 368 Y block?
Yes.
Green, which I think is the correct color for that
For that
motor.
particular year. For 1956.
It says Lincoln 8 on the valve covers. Look at that. V8. Let me go around this side. You can just hold it up a little bit. I'll
Yeah.
go to this side and take a quick peek. This is really nice. It's actually very clean in here. You drove the car here from
Yeah, we drove it from Virginia.
to Hershey, PA, so that's
Hershey,
a bit of a hike.
PA, yep. And
How to drive?
actually, no problem. It
Beautiful.
was a smooth ride, just like you're on a couch.
How many thumbs up and point toots did you get?
Many.
Quite a few.
And hunks.
And honks.
Yep. So,
Look at the gold script here, Lincoln. How cool is that?
yep.
Now this is a 56. I know the 57 was a little bit more radical.
Yeah,
Look at the spotlight here. Doubles as a mirror, side mirror, and a spotlight.
that's right. Don't see too many of those around.
No, you can see the control in there. Can you open the door rather?
Sure.
Oh, before you do, you got the lock cover.
There it is.
How cool is that? Very nice.
This is your car?
Beautiful. Look at that dash. Look at those instruments. What are all these toggle switches? the
One
dash.
is for
What says air?
air. We have a parade fan. We have different fan lights, indoor lights.
So they all operate something different, huh?
Yeah, and it's all power. Yeah, we have lights
I
here.
like the little light there. Check that out.
Yeah, power windows.
Which is actually right here, if I'm not mistaken.
That's right. It's right there.
Look at that. How many times did you bump into this corner here?
Actually,
Many?
not too many.
Not too many? You can see the power window switch on the other side.
Yeah.
Look at the back. It's really neat. The pink and the white really look
And
nice together.
One feature in the back, I'll lean this forward
Go right ahead.
and I'll reach back here. And there's a speaker
Oh, in the armrest or behind the armrest?
It's behind the armrest
Oh,
there.
look at that.
Yeah. And then for those days when you're smoking, there's a little place for your
I see it. Your
Ashtray.
ashtray and a cigarette lighter.
yes.
It is the 50s. Everybody smoked.
That's right.
And the power window switches in the back.
Right.
Really cool in here. This is really a beachy 50s type color combo.
Oh yeah.
Pink and
definitely.
white. This is like a seashore color. Power seats too.
Power seats, yep.
Is this, well, I'm sure it works.
Yeah. They get that the car on.
Yeah. A lot of these options, I guess the car does have to be running.
And it's power top, so it's really cool when it goes down.
Yeah. Top looks like it's in great shape. Is that redone recently?
Yeah, it was just redone.
It looks brand new. Plastic is so crystal clear, it's not even yellowed.
Yeah, so we just redid that. And the fender skirts,
Yeah.
so you can actually take these off to clean
Access the tire.
clean off the tire, the white walls. We take them off.
Look at this script, Premier with the starburst. Wow, this is a big trunk.
Yeah, it fits an
Fits a
amazing
lot.
amount of luggage and
It's
whatever.
very deep. This has to be every bit of 6 feet from here all the way to the back seat.
Probably.
Very deep.
And one of
Look at
the
this.
oh yeah,
You can't miss that.
you can't miss that.
Can
That
you pop
is
that up for us? Look at that.
and there we go.
You miss these sorts of things in today's cars.
You miss it. Yep.
All the little gingerbread. That's
And
cool.
one of the other coolest features is the exhaust built
Come out
in.
here.
Yeah,
Cool.
I just love that. It's just all kind of
Yeah.
built in there.
And I like the taillights on the 56.
Yep.
They're kind of Frenched in a little bit.
Yeah.
They look cool. Lincoln. You got the vintage 56 license plates from Virginia.
Right.
Very clean. You get a good look at the side of this car, how big it is and how pretty it really is. Yeah, this is definitely a beachy type car. Beautiful.
And when we take the car for a road trip, a lot of comments that we get is, what happened to your hubcaps? We take them off for every road trip
You don't want to lose them.
because we have lost them.
Wow, are they
on the
hard to
highway.
find? You can't replace them?
We have found them, but they're rare. So
Wow, look at that starburst in the center there. I can see why people want them.
yeah,
They
so
probably put them on their customs.
yep. So as soon as we leave this show field, they're coming off, and we get comments. Where are your hubcaps?
Your white walls are very white.
Yeah, that's
How much time do you spend on them?
actually, I do have a secret. That
Yeah.
is
Is it called the husband?
no, it's me. I do the white walls.
You do the cleaning.
And there's a special product. It's you spray and wipe, and it gets them white.
Really?
And I'm not going to reveal it, but
Okay.
it's an amazing. Compared to everybody else's, mine are white, and it's
Yours
no effort.
are white. Very bright white with a bright white top. I like your door handle. It's got like a triangular push button here, which is pretty
That's right.
neat. That's pretty neat.
Just a nice, elegant style to
It is. It's a big car, but it's bigger than it looks. You know, the lines of this car are very, very nice.
Yeah, I just love the lines. So
It is a sweet looking car. And you have the rare fog lights up front.
that's right.
Do all these cars have fog lights, or is this an option?
It's an option.
Okay.
And I chose, you can either have the clear or the amber, and I chose the amber.
Okay.
So,
That's pretty cool.
yeah.
So you have a electric fan in there to keep
That's-
it cool.
And that's the parade fan.
Yeah, well, it's very wise. You're in parades and doing a lot of driving.
That's right.
Well, it is a beautiful car. I love the color. It's called
Amethyst.
Amethyst.
And the nickname for the car is Cream Puff. That's my cream puff.
It is definitely a cream puff. Folks, tell me what you think of this beautiful 56 Premier convertible. One of, what would you say, 2,400 and some?
2200.
2,200 convertibles made. So tell me what you think of this car. I love it. It's beautiful. Leave your comments below. Definitely subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you next time. Thank you, Anya.
Thank you.
See you later.
Yep.